English essay My City. My city. I live in Ahmedabad. It is situated on the banks of the river Sabarmati. There were many textile mills in Ahmedabad. In the old Ahmedabad city, people live in pods. The houses in the pods are usually two-storied. They have beautifully carved doors and windows. The old Ahmedabad is still a center of trade and commerce. Ahmedabad has developed very fast. There are bungalows and flats. The roads are wide. There are many schools, colleges, shopping centers, restaurants, gardens, and hospitals. The city has many historical places and monuments. The Sabarmati Ashram, the Hathi Singh Jain Temple, Dada Harini Vav, Jumma Masjid, Shaking Minarets, and the Calico Textile Museum are some of the attractions of this city. Ahmedabad faces the problems of overpopulation, slums, water scarcity, and pollution. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.